today I'm going to be doing such an exciting video. I'm going to be doing a back to school makeup tutorial under 10 minutes. You know, efficiency is key, especially when you're under a time crunch. So I'm going to be teaching you how to get this makeup look right here under 10 minutes using all products that can be found at Sally Beauty. Thank you guys so much for partnering with me on this video. I'm so excited, and I'm so excited to get into it because all of these products are amazing and I can't wait to show you guys everything that I'm including. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so first things first, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm using the col-lab Shape and Shade brow pencil right here, and it has a pencil and then it also comes with a spoolie to brush your hairs out. I love brow pencils because they're super easy to apply in the morning, especially if you're in a rush. And even if you don't have time in the morning, especially when you're going to school, you can put it on in the car, which is what I used to do. And I'm just going to be applying this on my eyebrows. And this product is really creamy, so you don't have to go crazy applying it, and it's really easy to use. Okay, so I already have one eyebrow done. I'm going to go ahead and do the other one. As you can see, it's a really nice like fill-in. It's not super crazy, and I like my makeup to be a little bit dimmed down when I'm going to school. I don't want it to be super overpowering, and this product is really, really creamy. Okay, so now that brows are done, I'm actually going to go in with my face makeup. When I go to school, I don't do much eye makeup. I put a little bit of bronzer, any contour shade on there. So I like to go and tackle like the biggest thing, which is my face. So I'm going to start off with this col-lab, the Fundamental Hydrating Primer. And I actually really like to use hydrating primers because my skin is really dry, as a lot of you know. So it looks like this, and I'm just going to apply this on my face just to have a nice hydrating base, because when I wake up in the morning, my skin be dry. Moving on to the face makeup, I'm going to be using the Femme Couture Get Corrected CC Cream right here. It's like a tinted moisturizer in the shade Fawn. I love this stuff, especially when you're going to school. I don't like wearing like heavy foundation. It's kind of like I want to look put together but not put too much effort into it and look effortless. So this is like the perfect base for something that makes you look effortless. It gives you coverage, but it doesn't look like you're wearing much makeup. I'm gonna put a little bit on my forehead and my nose as well, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend that with a sponge. And as you can tell, it has really good coverage. It smells like the beach. I love that. And you're going to want to bring it down to your neck as well, just because you don't want your neck and your face looking like two different colors. And I actually really like this. This has pretty similar coverage to my foundations, and it doesn't look heavy at all. So yeah, don't sleep on this. Like, I'm actually, wow. Moving on to concealer, I'm using this one from col-lab. This is the No Flaws Liquid Concealer in Honey Almond. And I'm going to be applying this to my under eyes and a little bit to any areas where I have redness or need correcting, because I don't like to do the whole highlighting craziness, especially when I'm going to school. We're trying to get our makeup done quick, easy, and effective, and make you look good without all the effort. And this applicator covers a really large amount of ground really quickly. I also put some on the sides of my nose and my mouth because I have some darkness there, and I have a pimple right here that I'm going to cover up. And I'm also going to use this as eyeshadow primer. The applicator is actually really good to carve out your eyebrows as well for that definition. This is actually my perfect shade match, and it has amazing coverage, so I love that. If you don't ever have time to do your eyebrows or pluck them or wax them or whatever, carving them out with concealer will make it look like you did your eyebrows. So just a quick saver. If you don't have time to do your eyebrows before school starts or you're struggling, I got you, girl. I'm also going to set my lids with the same two shades. I honestly like palettes like this because in the morning, I love using like palettes like this that have everything in it, because sometimes you don't have time to go and grab a bronzer or find where your powder is. Everything is here. You can use it. It's pretty universal. I like to use this as a face contouring palette to set my face, and also as eyeshadow, and it has a shimmery highlight shade right here that's actually really, really good. So we're gonna be doing a lot of our face with this right here because it's just so easy to use. So for contour, I'm gonna take these two shades right here and mix them, and I'm going to be applying them on my cheekbones. I don't want it to be too overpowering. I want it to be a really soft contour. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and contour my nose with the same 2 shades. And it's just to kind of sculpt it out a little bit. And now I'm going to take this warm shade right here and apply it on my crease just to add a little bit of dimension on the eyes. Nothing crazy. And now I'm going to take the nude shade that we used and I'm going to apply that on my lid. And now for highlighter, I'm going to take the shimmery shade in the Palladio palette and apply that to the high points of my face, my nose, my inner corner. I like highlighters like this because they're subtle, but the more you build it up, the more intense it gets. So I want it to be subtle, but also that you can see that you're wearing like something glowing. Like it's a really subtle glow, but the more you build it up, the more intense it gets, and I love that. And I'm also going to be applying it on my nose and my inner corners. And a really good trick, when you want to look more awake in the morning or when you just want your eyes to pop, applying a highlighter or a brighter eyeshadow shade on your inner corner of your eyes, it's just going to open up that area, make you look more awake, make everything just pop more, and I love that. And I'm also going to take that brown shade and apply that to my lower lash line a little bit. For eyeliner, I'm using the Ardell Lash Bustier Liquid Eyeliner in Onyx, and I love this eyeliner, super pigmented, and I love that it's felt tip. Just makes it so much easier to apply eyeliner, especially if you're in a rush in the morning. Okay guys, so this is not something that you have to do for the first day, but it's something that I like to do because I like my lashes to pop, you know? So I'm going to put on lashes. These aren't dramatic, but they give your eyes a really nice pop. It's something that I personally love to do. These I've been using for years. You guys have seen it in all of my tutorials. My Ardell Wispies are like my one and only. I'm always buying them at Sally and they're my favorite. So I'm going to apply some right now. And I never do this like day to day in school, but if you really want to impress everyone back to school and look poppin' and you got no lashes, I got you. Okay, so I put some lash glue on it. I'm going to go ahead and apply it. And these are really nice and subtle lashes. And if you put them on well enough, because the band is so thin that when you apply it, you don't even look like you're wearing lashes. People won't notice unless you really look closely. But honestly, it's just something that I personally love to do, so I'm going to go ahead and apply the other one now. Okay, so lashes are on. I'm going to go ahead and apply mascara. This is the Ardell Wispies Fiber Building Mascara. This is so funny because I'm using Ardell Wispies and putting on Wispies mascara. Yeah, anyways, mascara is like the best way to blend in lashes to your natural ones. You just apply 1 or 2 coats and you're set, good for the day. And if you're not wearing lashes, this mascara is actually really good to like build up volume. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this on my lashes. And now I'm also going to be applying it to my lower lash line, just a very thin layer. Moving on to blush, this is such a cute blush. This is the Femme Couture Rose All Day Powder Blush. This is in Sunset Rose, and it's like a cute little rose. Isn't this the cutest thing ever? When I saw it, I was obsessed with it. And I'm just going to apply a little bit. This is actually a shimmery blush, and I actually really like shimmery blushes because it gives your face a little bit of brightness, and it just illuminates the face and just ties in the look all together. Okay, so blush is done. I feel like blush really ties in the look. It just makes you look more fresh and awake and ready for the day. Okay, so now that face makeup is basically done, I'm going to go in with the lip. This is the col-lab About the Pout Tinted Lip Balm in Nude Mood. And I'm just going to be applying a little bit of that. I love tinted lip balms because it gives you some color to your lips. Doesn't look like you're wearing lipstick, and it just freshens you up, you know. And I love carrying these in my book bag just when I need to touch up or anything of the sort, and this one is actually really, really nice and moisturizing, so big fan. And now to lock everything in place, I'm using the Femme Couture Get Locked Makeup Setting Spray. I live in Miami. It's hot, it's humid. You need something that's gonna lock in your face makeup all day, so I love this, and I'm just going to spray this on my face, and it's just gonna help your makeup stay on the entire day. Alrighty guys, so that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, you guys, be sure to check out all the products that I used in this video. They can all be found at Sally Beauty. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have an amazing day or night wherever you are. Bye!